Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to today's online class. In last session, we discussed about matrices definition, types of matrices, and order of a matrix, and we discussed exercise 3.1. In this session, we have to discuss remaining problems of exercise 3.1. Construct. So I think the third problem, construct 3x4 matrix. 3x4 matrix A is equal to Aij. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. Dear children, already I discussed this type of problem, but there I constructed 2x2 matrix, but here they are asking 3x4 matrix. Here 3x4 matrix means this 3 is nothing but rows, this 4 is nothing but columns. 3x4 is nothing but it should be present 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay, that is A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14. That should be 3 rows but 4 columns. Okay, see, 4 columns. Next, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Observe children, 3x4. This 3 means 3 rows. This 4 means 4 columns. See, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Now I want to find one by one. A11 is equal to, so here I value is 1, j value is 1. 1 by 2 minus 3, I value is 1, j value is 1. So that is 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. So modulus of negative is plus, modulus of positive is plus only. 2 to cancel, that is equal to what? 1. Next, A12 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into I value is 1 plus j value is 2. So that is 1 by 2 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. That is modulus of minus 1 is 1. That is 1 by 2. Okay. Next. So we got A11, A12. Now A13. Now A13 is equal to, that is 1 by 2, I value is 1, j value is 3, minus 3, I value is 1, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, plus j value is 3, minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is how much? 0. Modulus of 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. That is A13 is 0. Next, A14. A14 is equal to 1 by 2, that is minus 3 into 1 plus j value is 4. So that is 1 by 2, 3 ones are 3, minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. Modulus of plus 1 is 1, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Next, now come to second row. Okay. So we got A11, A12, A13, A14. Now I want to find A21, A22, A23, A24 remaining elements. Now A21. So I value is 2, J value is 1, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1. I mean 3 into 2 plus 1. That is 1 by 2, 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5. 1 by 2 modulus of minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is how much? 5. So here modulus of plus is plus only, modulus of minus is plus only. Okay. For example, modulus of 2 is plus 2 only, modulus of minus 2 is plus 2 only. Okay. Already we discussed modulus function in first PU. So here modulus of minus 5 is 5 by 2, I mean plus 5, that is 5 by 2. Next, A22. A22 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. I value is 2, J value is 2. Okay, that is 1 by 2, 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is plus 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay. Next, A23. A23 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3, that is 1 by 2, 3 2s are minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3, that is 3 by 2. Next, A24. 1 by 2 minus 3 into I value is 2, J value is 4, that is 1 by 2, 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2, that is 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So second row completed. Now come to third row. So first element is A31. So A31 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1. That is 1 by 2, 3 3s are minus 9 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8 into 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Next, come to A32. 1 by 2. So minus 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Modulus of minus 7 is plus 7. That is 7 by 2. Next, A33. 1 by 2 minus 3 into I value is 3, J value is 3 plus 3. So that is 1 by 2, 3 3s are minus 9 plus 3, minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Modulus of minus 6 is plus 6, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. Next, A34, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4. 3 3s are 9. 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. That is 5 by 2. Okay. So now we dot all elements. That is A11, A12, A13 up to, we dot all elements A34 up to A34. Now I want to write these elements, I want to write matrix. So first, what is A11? A11, according to this only we can write. Okay. So I mean, don't write one by one like that. According to this, by using this we can write the matrix. A11 is 1. Okay. Next, A12 is 1 by 2. Next, A13 is 0. A14 is 1 by 2. A21 is 5 by 2. A22 is 2. A23 is 3 by 2. A24 is 1. A31 is 4. A32 is 7 by 2. A33 is 3. A34 is 5. This is the 3 cross 4 matrix. Okay, 3 cross 4 matrix. But in exam they will not ask this large problem. Okay, so they will ask very simple problem. So they will ask 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, 3 cross 3 matrix. They will not ask highest order. Okay, is it clear? I think all of it clear. Okay. So similar problem I will give you homework for you, that is Aij is equal to 2i minus j. This is homework, same. So that is 3 cross 4 matrix. You can do it yourself and you have to send me through WhatsApp. I think all of it clear. Dear children, if a matrix has 24 elements, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders it can have? It can have. Very simple, children. Very simple. This is 1 mark question. For exam, for board exam, they will ask 1 mark question. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible orders it can have? 24 elements. Just we should write factors of 24. That is 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 8 into 3, 3 into 8, 12 into 2, 2 into 12, 24 into 1, 1 into 24. So these are the possible orders. Very simple, tricky, I will tell you. Just write factors of 24. That is the possible orders of So 24. I mean, here question is, so in in matrix has 24 elements. Okay, but for what orders we can write? Okay, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, so I mean we can write 6 cross 4, either 4 cross 6, either 8 cross 3, either 3 cross 8, either 12 cross 2, either 2 cross 12, either 24 cross 1, either 1 cross 24. Okay, very simple. It is, I mean, we can check all elements, it will get confusion, that's why. So very tricky. So if a matrix has 24 elements, we can write factors of 24. Okay, so these are the possible orders. Suppose if a matrix has 13 elements, if a matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders? Okay, just very simple. 13 cross 1, 1 cross 13. It has only 2 factors because 13 is a prime number. So that's why you can write it only 2 factors. Okay, suppose if a matrix has 5 elements, if a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders? Very simple. 5 cross 1, 1 cross 5. Okay, next, if a matrix has 8 elements, if a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders? Very simple. 4 into 2, 2 into 4, 8 into 1, 1 into 8. These are the orders. Okay, these are the orders. So if a matrix has 8 elements, so 4 into 2, 2 into 4, but we should not read into. This one is, we should read by or cross. 4 cross 2 or 4 by 2. Okay, suppose if a matrix has 18 elements, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? Okay, for same question, just I am changing the elements. Okay, so if a matrix has 24 elements, these are the orders. If a matrix has 13 elements, these are the orders. If a matrix has 5 elements, these are the orders. If a matrix has 8 elements, these are the orders. If a matrix has 18 elements, 9 into 2, 2 into 9, 6 into 3, 3 into 6, 18 into 1, 1 into 18. That's all. Okay, so I mean that's all, no? So 9 2s are 2 9s are 6 3s are 3 6s are 18 1s are 1 18s are. These are the possible orders if a matrix has 18 elements. Next question. Next, before going to next problem, we must know equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Equality of matrices means if a matrix A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are equal, means are equal means it should be same order. It should be same order. It should be same order. Then corresponding elements are equal. Okay, so what is meant by equality of matrices means if a matrix A is equal to Aij, so then B is equal to Bij, then we should write suppose if A is equal to B means it should be the same order, then corresponding elements are equal. For example, so here x plus 2 to 0, x plus 5, so is equal to 3 to 0 5. See children, it should be the same order. This is A matrix, this is B matrix suppose. So it should be the same order. So here, so order is 2 cross 2. Here also order is 2 cross 2. Then corresponding elements are equal. Here first element is equal to first element. Here second elements are equal, third elements are equal, fourth element is equal to fourth element. See children, x plus 2 is equal to 3. X plus 5 is equal to, suppose y, I will take y. So y plus 5 is equal to 5. So here x is equal to 3 minus 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 minus 5, y is equal to 0. Suppose these values will substitute means here it should be the equal matrix. See, x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2 is how much? 3, 3 is equal to 3 na? So y is equal to 0, 0 plus 5 is how much? 5. See, so these are the equality of matrices. If any two matrices are equal, it should be the same order, then corresponding elements are equal. So based on this concept, some few problems is there in exercise 3.1. Find the values of x comma y and z from the following equations. So what we taught in online, again we will revise for all concepts in offline. Okay, so here while watching video, compulsorily we have to write the notes in one notebook, and then separately I will send the notes. Okay, that one also you have to write in separate notebook, but what I did video, no, that should be present in the book. Okay, so once you enter to offline classes, so I will check all online notes. See children, first one, 4 3 x 5 y z 1 5. See children, very simple. Already I told what is the equality of matrices. It should be the same order, then corresponding elements are equal. See, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3, x is equal to 1. So what is x is equal to how much? 1, y is equal to how much? 3, y is equal to how much? 4. See, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3. In remaining 5 is there. Okay, it should be equal elements. Equality of matrices means this both matrix having equal elements, then only it satisfying equality of matrices. Next, second question. X plus y to 5 plus z xy 6 to 5 8. Dear children, so here corresponding elements are equal. X plus y is equal to 6. Here xy is equal to 2. Okay, so here 5 plus z 5 plus z is equal to 5. See children, x plus y is equal to 6. 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So here x plus y is equal to 6, 2 is equal to 6, 2 is equal to 2, 5 plus z is equal to 5, xy is equal to 2. Here 5 plus z is equal to 5, z is equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Now here x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 2. So for these two equations we can't solve linear equation method. Just here we have one formula, x minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Here xy is equal to 8, xy is equal to 8. X minus y whole square is x plus y is 6, 6 square means 36, minus 4 into 8 is 4 into 8, that is 36 minus 32, that is 4. X minus y whole square is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to plus or minus 2, that is x minus y is equal to square root of 4. Square root of 4 means plus or minus 2. Now already x plus y is equal to 6 is there. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 2. Next, x plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Now you have to go for solving linear equations. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 2. Y cancel. 2x is equal to 8. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. X is equal to 4. Next, x is equal to 4 means y is equal to 2. So here x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to minus 2. Y cancel. 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. That means here, so I want to find y is equal to 6 minus 2, y is equal to 4. Now the values of x, y, z is, x value is 4, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0. Next, another one is x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 4, z is equal to 0. I think all of it clear. I will explain once again this. X plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 8. Here we can't solve linear equation method. We have one formula. Okay, so already you studied in SSLC that formula. X minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Here instead of x plus y whole square is how much? 36. xy is 8, 4 8s are 32, that is 4. So square root of 4 is 2 plus or minus 2. X plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to minus 2. On solving, we will get x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Next problem. X plus y plus z, y plus z, y plus x plus z, y plus z, 9 5 7. Dear children, here x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is also column matrix. This is also column matrix. Here first element is equal to first element, second element is equal to second element, third element is equal to third element. So here x plus z is equal to 5 and y plus z is equal to 7. Here x plus z is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. Instead of y plus z, we can write 7. X plus 7 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 7. X is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2 means z is equal to 5 minus 2, z is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3 means, so y is equal to 7 minus 3, y is equal to 4. Okay, I think all of it clear. So I'll give one homework problem for you. Okay, this is homework. So here x plus y, x minus y, 3 4. This is homework for you. Next one is x plus 5, 2, 3 plus z, x minus y, 6, 2, 4, 3. These two problems are homework for you. Okay, these two problems you have to do it yourself. Okay, in this exercise remaining 3 problems is there. So that problems we will discuss in next session. Okay, these homework problems you have to do it yourself and you have to send me through WhatsApp. This is compulsory for everyone. In last session also I given homework. Only few students sent the homework. Okay, for other students I will call to your parents. Okay, so all of you watch this video. So while watching the video you have to write the notes. Thank you one and all.